Today we are redoing a dog bed because the dog goes right through the plastic nylon that already came with the frame. So he destroyed the bed. I can't afford to get another one. So I am actually weaving old t-shirts. I have a whole lot of old t-shirts. And I'm starting with the very end. I'm making t-shirt yarn by cutting the edge of it and then just going around and around the entire t-shirt, and then it would make a long strip like so. As I keep cutting it, I just keep going around and around the edge while always holding on to about an inch to inch and a half of fabric, and I keep going around and around. Then on the frame I added fishing line from one end all the way to the other side, and so you could see that it's got, like, you know, it's got two lines here. And I get the t-shirt yarn and I tied it on this corner. It's just a knot, that's all it is. It's just a knot. And then we start weaving it in and out, up and down, over each and every line. And it does take a little while to do, but once you have it on your edge, okay, so then we start here and we go just in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out of all of the fishing line. So when we get here, I'm going to pull. This is going to tighten up, and then you just pull everything down. And then we start again. Grab the whole end, go up, and then in and out, in and out, in and out. Okay? Till we get to the other end. I will be back. Okay, so now I've gotten this far, and I still have this much more to go. I think I have used so far about 7 shirts. And I still need maybe, like, this is probably like 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 more shirts. Maybe 4, actually. About 4 more shirts. So probably in total I'd probably need 12 shirts going this way. And I have no idea how many shirts I'm going to need going this way, because I'm still going to wrap in between each one of these and pull it out and kind of sew in to reinforce the strings, but this way I'll be able to reinforce it vertical and horizontal. So almost finished. Each shirt is taking about 30 minutes to wrap in and out, in and out, in and out. I am now like on day 3 of trying to get this going because I have taken a lot of breaks. Okay, so here is the finished, ow. Okay, don't do that. Here is the finished bed just with the side. Now I'm going to cut up the blue shirts, and those will go in here and then out, and they'll be weaved in between all of these and end up going around these edges of the bed. Okay. I interweaved some additional blue and just went in sideways, and I would like to see if the dog will come test it. Come on, Bushy. It holds. Hey, good boy. There it is, boy.